Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have started to learn about computer networks, right? And today we are going to start about networks in business. Okay, networks in business means in this 21st century, communication is a very important factor for successful business operations, right? Thereby, with the growth of the computer networks and the internet services are being so fast, this business also has developed in a very big manner, right? So with the development of this cloud computing and this global accessing and all, the security issues are also somewhat restricted, right? Through this internet, e-banking is done very efficiently, right? We can just sit in your home and you can just pay for the uh, telephone bill, for the current bill, for the water bill, everything you can just pay just being in your home, right? Large businesses or small scale businesses, it may be a B2C, B2B, that is business to business, business to government, or this all you have studied last year in grade 11 itself, right? For this commercial transfers also across the countries or across the places, if you are in different places also, this internet paves a way for you to do this marketing also. Cheap marketing and easy selection of products through internet for getting the customer satisfaction is also done, right? This company renewals, licensing, certificates, payments, bills, stock maintenance, everything is done through this internet in the present scenario, right? Direct human interactions became very less since this internet plays the important role in our daily lives, right? You don't usually talk to your parents if you have a phone, right? If you are having your relatives in your home, you don't usually talk to them. We spend a lot of time in using a mobile or a laptop or a computer only, right? So this direct human interactions are also reduced because of this internet. Okay, buyer direct purchases any product from manufacturer with less cost, but this middle, this brokerage charges are reduced, right? If you are going and buying something, someone will be getting from a brand and will be keeping it in the store, right? And that brokerage, that amount he will take and he'll sell it for some little amount he needs, right? Since he is keeping a shop, he'll get some amount, so he'll increase the amount for 5% or 10%, and then he'll be selling, right? But through internet means you'll just contact the brand itself and you can order it and it will be delivered to your doorstep. So this brokerage, the person who is in the middle won't be getting any amount, and the cost for you also it will be reduced, right? Next one is networks at home. Nowadays, if you see, network has become a common as this communication devices came in your hands. You are having a mobile phone in your hand, right? So this networks came in our home itself, maybe a mobile or a computer or maybe some tab or anything, you will have it in your home. Means this network is at your home, right? So this increase the quality of life inside the home in a variety of ways, like automations of everything. Maybe in older days, if you see, you'll just have to get up and walk and switch on the tape recorder to hear a song or to hear a news, right? Now you have a mobile or a tab in your hand, or if you're having a TV also, you have a remote there. You can just press one button and you can just hear the song, or you can just uh, hear the news, right? So this networks came inside our home also. Networks at home were connected in two ways. They are wired and wireless. Okay. Maybe this network means it includes the computers also for networking also. Networking means you are connecting the computer to another computer or another device. Okay. It may be wired or wireless. Wired network system means it is like we'll be connecting speakers or a CCTV or a printer or maybe scanner. This all will be connected with cables, right? So this is wired network, right? Some Wi-Fi and all, if you'll have a modem there and you can use that net in your mobile tab, everything. So they are wireless networks, okay? And next, network in home. helps us to perform this e-banking, e-learning. Now we are doing e-learning, right? You are in your home and you are learning through YouTube. So this is e-learning, e-governance, e-health, telemedicine, call centers, video conferencing, digitalizing of memories. Memories, where if you go to a place, you will just take pics, right? You will take pics and that memories are also digitalized, right? Next one is mobile networks. Okay, mobile networks is a network connecting people without cable, or this is a wireless network. Okay, mobile computer like laptop, tab, these are wireless connections, right? Computer means you will have wire and you will be connecting the mouse, keyboard, everything through wire. If you are having a laptop, nothing is connected, right? You will have a battery there and you can use it. So these are all wireless, okay? And land area networks was distributed as cells, okay? Each will be served by single location transceiver. But generally, if you see three cell sites or a base transceiver station will be there. Transceiver station means the base station will provide the cell with the network coverage. Okay, if you have a network, you will have a tower there. If there is a tower, only you will get the network, right? So that only here they are saying if you are having a base station, it will provide the network coverage for the particular network, right? And joining all radio coverages, I will say it as wide geographical area. Okay, joining together all radio coverages is called wide geographical area. This portable transceivers are used to communicate with one another with a fixed transceiver and moving via more than one cell. Okay, this transmission means one data will be sent from one end and it will be transferring to another port, and it will be given to the some devices and it can be accessed by the users, right? For example, we'll have mobiles, tabs, pages, laptops, and mobile broadbands like modems and all will have, right? Here, if you see this diagram, you will understand. Here they have given internet service provider is there, right? So the service provider will have internet, and from there people in office or people maybe in home or people maybe in some other countries, they will be connected, right? Satellite communication is there, cellular communication is there, maybe through cable or maybe dial-up telephone. So in any other way, in one or the other way, mobile networks are also connected, right? Features of mobile network. Less consumption of power is used by mobile devices when you are comparing to a single transmitter or a satellite, since the cell towers are close, right? Huge capacity, less consumption of power. Power is not needed, much power is not needed, right? Huge capacity than a large transmitter, right? You are having a small mobile phone in your hand and you can transmit a large amount of data, right? At a single frequency can be used for different or many links as long as they are in different cells. Okay, as mobile phones are now heavily used for data communication, the mobile network traffic is also fully busy. Okay, the mobile phone means, voice or text, multimedia messages, data, calls. RF means radio frequency. These are all, this mobile phone converts this into the signal and it will again give it to the receiver end, right? This mobile phone base station transmit and receive this RF signals only, right? To connect these calls to another phone or to other network, right? This the private cellular network can be used for at many other locations like some organization or in some small interest industries or in research also. After this mobile has reached and the access to internet has been so fast. Okay, people can be in touch with other even while traveling, even, right? Before and all, in older days, if you see, if one is in the home, you will be having a landline phone, means you can just call from there. If you are stepping out of your home, you cannot communicate with other people. Now you are having a mobile phone, even when you are traveling in a train also you will be getting signal and you can communicate with other people, right? Searching important topics like checking mail, watching progress of companies can be done easily by sitting in your home itself, right? Computer knowledge is sufficient to access the internet through mobile network, right? If you are knowing to use computer, that is, it's not a big deal. It's just very easy thing. If you are having a YouTube or if you are having a Google, means you can just type it there. How to use this computer or how to use this mobile, means it will give you the steps. Do this. The first switch on the power button, switch on the CPU button, and then go to start. Likewise, it will give you the step-by-step explanation, and it's not a big deal if you have the network, right? Next one is social application. To get connected with people around the world, this social networking medias have become so popular, right? Uh, Before and all, if you see, we had Orkut, Facebook and all. Nowadays, we have so many Snapchat, Instagram, and so many social medias, right? WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, blogs, Pinterest, classmates, and so many other social medias are also there. This is to connect people, right? Through this social medias, we can get connected to people, we can talk, we can communicate with them, we can do the video conferencing, or we can just see and talk, or we can just call and talk through audio also, right? Here, this social network shares several attributes in common. Membership. Social nets generally requires the user to register names and to create an account, right? Why this registering names, or why this social network asks you to create an account? To avoid the duplications, right? To maintain the security for so many people are using Facebook. If it is not asking you to create an account, then simply if you are going, so many accounts will be there. One person itself will be having 10 or 100 accounts, right? So for the security purpose, now if you see, if you are creating a Facebook account, it will ask your photo, or if it will ask many IDs to prove whether it is you, right? So the duplication of the accounts, or if someone else is creating an account in your name, that also can be monitored by this Facebook, right? Facebook or any social medias, okay? And so many public networks offer free registration, and some may charge also for that services. It may have so good content or something. If you need it, you have to just pay, and you can get in, or else you can just go and visit them for free in some services, right? Private networks like bank account holders will have a group and all. This will restrict the registration to people who meet the certain eligibility criteria, right? If you are eligible for this only, you can involve in this group. Likewise, they will be giving some eligibility criteria also for this membership. Okay, content contribution. These networks allow the members to easily share or comment, or for movies, for music, for short films, photos, and this for content contribution means if you have a content, if you are creating your own content, you can just give that content to people, and they can view and they can give their comments, right? So that is content contribution. And the next one is frequent return visits. That means healthy social nets have a group of members who check in regularly to contribute their views, right? And they'll be checking frequently if there is any new updates. If you are using a Facebook, you will be now I'll see Instagram. You mostly will be using Instagram, right? When you get a free time, you'll just open the Instagram and see, right? If you are communicating with some people, you'll be taking the Instagram and seeing whether any new updates from that person. If anyone has messaged me, or sometimes you'll be just seeing the news feeds. You'll be seeing if anyone has posted anything. Likewise, you'll be seeing for new updates also, right? That is frequent return visits. So, if you visit that particular social networking site, they'll be earning money, right? So, for that, they have provided new updates, and those updates will make us to visit their websites or visit their social networks more often, and we are making a way to for them to earn money, right? The next one is human relationship building. The common goal of this social media, the social network, is to allow the interaction among the people, right? Create a strong interaction with different people in different communities, right? Maybe you may be in this place, and you would have got a contact of a person from some other country also using the social media, right? The main aim of the social media itself is to build a good relationship between humans, right? To interact with other people in other places, right? Next, we'll see the benefits of social networks, right? Besides being, it's a fun place, and we'll be using Instagram or Facebook to relax ourselves, right? You'll be feeling so happy to use these social networking sites and all. This is a fun place. This is use this social networks are there relax with people only, but sometimes it has some more extremely useful benefits also to the individual or to a communities, right? Let's see what are they. A group information sharing over long distance, like if your friends or family members are in another country, you can just create a group, right? You'll be having a group, and we can just text a message, or you can do a video call, and all the family members can be viewed in a single video call. And for group information sharing, if the people are in a huge distance, and it creates a richer environment to stay connected, right? Maybe text messages, or maybe a voice call, or maybe a video call. This also helps us to share photos, or share videos, or share our documents also through this social networking sites, right? So this daily wishes through social networks makes the people get engaged with others through this networks, right? Group chat and all is being used in a very big manner since we are quarantined in home at present, right? Broadcast announcement. That means quick and easy way to spread an information during this some emergencies, or some natural calamities, or some to advertise some business, or if you are having a view, and if you have started a business, or if you are giving a content, or if you are doing a blog in the social networks also, you can just post it, and you can get advertised without spending a huge amount of money, right? So people can do the marketing also through this internet. That is broadcast announcement. Previously, in older days and all, if you see, if you have FM radio only, you will get to know about some natural calamities are gonna come, or maybe earthquakes has been came in this particular region. Means the other region people will be knowing only if they are having the radio or the FM, right? So now it's not like that. If one person is posting in a social media, anyone can see. Even though if we are watching news, if there is no TV also, if you are having a mobile, you will get all the informations around the world, right? Next one is fostering diversity of thought. That means some critics of social networks say that online communities actually attract people by similar interests and backgrounds, right? When people with different opinions get together online, many discussions may be generated, or may be degenerated into personal attacks also. That means we'll say it as flame wars, right? This flame wars means two people won't be having the same thought, right? If I'm saying yes, and if you are saying no for something, means this will become a war later on, right? So this flame wars also may be created in this group calls, or group conferences also, right? The argument goes online, healthy debate takes place, and some of them may become viral also. Some videos and all, it may have positive vibes, or it may have negative things also. Some videos many people will be wishing to watch, and it may go viral also, right? So such arguments and talks bring out a relaxation for the busy people in their uh, busy schedule, and it gives a relaxation for them, right? It is also enriching with the current affairs, and it helps us to keep in touch with the people, right? So this is about computer network, right? Computer network means we are connecting number of computers through this network, right? In this chapter, what all we have learned? We have learned about computer networks, right? Computer network we have seen the history of computer network and about internet, right? And then we have seen about internet. What is internet? It is international network, okay? It includes technology, telecom, and intelligence. Then we have seen about disadvantages of internet, then the internet explosion, growth of computer network, and then we have seen the uses of computer network. What are the uses we have seen here? Communication, resource sharing, data or software sharing, money saving, right? And then we have seen about networks in business, networks at home. In networks at home, we have seen wired network and wireless network. Then next one is mobile networks, and we have seen the features of mobile networks, social applications. In social applications, we have seen membership, content contribution, frequent return visits, human relationship building. And then we have seen benefits of social networks, right? What are the benefits of social networks? Group information sharing over a long distance, broadcast announcements, fostering diversity of thoughts, right? So we have come to the end of this computer network chapter. Next section we'll see about network examples and protocols. Okay, here in this chapter in page number 143 they have given some glossary sections. There they have given the important words in this chapter and the definitions about that particular words, right? Make sure you read this page number 143. Okay, they have given about www, e-governance, e-banking and all, right? You read this page, and also in page number 142 they have given some points to remember. That also make sure you read it today itself, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.